Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I hope you will be in a good condition of health. Today our lecture topic is about long and short vowel sounds. Keep in mind that we have 5 vowel sounds in English language. Those are A, E, I, O, U. Long vowel sounds. Long vowel sound is the term used to refer to vowel sounds whose pronunciation is the same as its letter name. The 5 vowel sounds of the English spelling system A, E, I, O, and U. Each have a corresponding long vowel sounds like these: E sound, A sound, A sound, O sound, U sound. For examples, care, stare, teen, need, like, sight, road, hope, cute, huge, etc. Note it down that in long vowel sounds we will give stress upon some specific letters, like in care we are giving stress to care, ear, stare, ear, teen, een, need, eat, like, ike, sight, ite, road, ode, hope, oh, cute, ute, huge, huge, etc. Sentences. Number 1. He takes care of his children. Number 2. It rains today. Number 3. They write neat and clean novels. Number 4. The road was so rough. Number 5. The baby is so cute. Care, rain, neat, clean, road and cute are the examples of long vowel sounds. Number 2. Short vowel sounds. Short vowel sounds are vowel sounds that are pronounced in a short form. In RP English, the short vowel sounds are those in pit pot, put pot, part pit, bed bet, and the schema sound. They can be compared with long vowel sounds. For example, car, star, ten, net, lick, sit, rod, knot, cut, mud, hug, etc. Keep in mind that in short vowel sounds, we will not give stress upon the vowel letters. Sentences. Number 1. They sit in the class silently. Number 2. He went to bed for sleeping. Number 3. Mother hugs her children. Sit, bed, and hug are the examples of short vowel sounds. I hope you will get something from this video. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.